Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So today I'm going to teach you how I turn any image into custom Canva frame so you can drop photos inside it instantly. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So let me take one blank page of presentation. Okay, here from upload option you can upload your own photos. Okay, if you have any own photos, then you can upload from here. After upload, you can see your photos that space, and you can just click on it and insert on the that page. Okay, I'm going to use any photos from that Canva, so I use this one. Okay, first select that photo and just remove background. Use this BG background. Now again select that photo. Now we need to go in app and search for frame maker. Okay, so here you can see this is the app which is called frame maker. I personally use this. Now go to the convert. Here select this one, go to the continue, convert design to frame. This is our design, and here go to size 100% and make sure transparent background and export it. So it will start working, and I think it will take some. Okay, now convert design to frame. One sec, I think, let me do again. Yeah, it's already done. Now this is our, okay, so it is already done, so I don't do anything. Okay, Canva convert to design, already done. Now this is my frame and this is my original image. Okay, so you can see I have convert that image into the frame. Now you can simply put any photo on that frame. Okay, like go to the elements or search any photos from here. You can upload your own photos. Okay, I just put this one. You can see I have put these photos on that frame which I created from this photo. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.